You might want to put this on your list of things to do when you visit us again. As we descend from the mountaintop, you see below you the desert cities of the Coachella Valley. Straight ahead is the city of Desert Hot Springs with Highway 62, that's the road that goes from Capri to the city's left. Closer to us and to the right of our travel is the city of Palm Springs. Going farther to the right of our travel is Cathedral City, Rancho Mirage, Indian Wells, Palm Desert, La Quinta, Indio, and Coachella.
I know we left our car unlocked. We can see the.
You may have noticed on your way up the many windmills you see to the left of our travel. Those whirling blades are powered by the almost constant winds that pour out of the mouth of the Manning family. The electricity that these windmills generate is sufficient to power thousands of homes in our state. Well, why don't you get back and enjoy the view of beautiful Coachella Valley, and I'll be back.
How you doing, Ben?
I'm just barking. I'm gonna take some pictures going down. Is that all right?
I'm taking pictures. Should have brought your own camera, kiddo.
I should have brought my video camera.
Thank you. That's what I'm doing. Ben, I'm trying to take a picture. Hey, well, if the tram doesn't make you sick, my movies will. Here's my white knuckles. Well, they really are white.